Good morning. Man, you can hear it in my voice. What's up, everybody? You can see my hotel. I got Starbucks, the only coffee available. I'm at the Lexor, but it's early. Not early for me. It's early for Vegas. So I'm gonna, excuse me, I'm gonna take a little walk this morning down the strip, just a little bit, record a little bit. This is from my phone. I've got another video putting together with my better camera, but just wanted to kind of document everything. Who knows when I'll ever be back out here again. So yeah, there's like nobody out. Nobody out. This place starts jumping when the sun goes down, but I'm gonna take a little walk. Come walk with me this morning. Let's go. Some of that outside, what do you even call those statues, tapestries of my resort right here. And then the airport's like right over there. So kind of interesting. A couple more buildings. There are people out, but they're all jogging. This is the Excalibur, I guess. And I don't know what that is over there. But here we are. Okay, that's the Tropicana. Sorry, someone just ran right past me. I thought they were gonna hit me. They have something, Purple Rain, a rendition of Prince Purple Rain happening there. And then it looks like, that's kind of neat, the Excalibur. Looks like they had some kind of tram system that's not running, that just took you to all the different casinos. Again, first time here, I have no idea. There is the Mgm Grand. Kind of interesting. Starting to pick up a little bit here. David Copperfield's still a thing. I didn't know that. Also, comedian Rich Little is supposed to be here. I thought he was dead. I was wrong. Over here we got New York, and they put a mask on the Statue of Liberty. So, yeah, I'm gonna get a little closer over there. The roller coaster's not working. They haven't turned it on yet, so. Big man walking up the steps. Let me show you the views. It's kind of nice. It's kind of cool. Would like to ride the roller coaster though. So basically, I'm gonna go around in a big circle. Here I am at New York, New York. I don't know if you can hear me, the traffic's pretty loud, but again, pretty empty early this morning. So you gotta see my giant face. I haven't yet seen it all lit up at night, but I hear it's spectacular. So I'll have my better camera for that. Just getting a little morning exercise for today. New York, New York. Definitely want to go to Hershey's Chocolate World. Wow, they got a giant Reese's Irish pub over here. People starting to walk around a little bit. What are giant Hershey's Kisses? Got people taking photos in front of the chocolate people. And there's more of the strip down there. I'm not gonna go that far this morning. Maybe later. Well, I was gonna walk down here, but it's all closed off. So they're cleaning the lion on the Mgm Grand. Oh no, they're painting it. Oh, no, cleaning it. Pressure washing that. Pretty loud. So I'm gonna head back my hotel. It's kind of nice. Again, I bet this looks amazing lit up. Is that even open? Well, this is interesting. It's like water. Must be beautiful at night. I decided to go down a little bit further. It's only 8 a.m. here. I hope this music doesn't get clear, but now it'll be a silent. So, that's the other part. Look at that. My destination is there. That's where I want to go. At least try anyway. I can figure out how to get there.
Yeah. Let's see if I can at least get some parts of it expedited and the rest of it.
Place is bright and shiny. Almost there. Alright, I made it. All the way to Paris. It was a nice little walk early in the morning. It took about 20 minutes, but it's nice and cool out. So it's nice and cool out here. Kind of neat. I wanted to get to East Flamingo Street because that's where it's right down there. That's where Tupac was shot. I want to go see that, so I think I'll be heading there a little bit later. There's Caesar's Palace right there. So, all right, now back.